there. There's a big one. There's one moving there with his legs. He's definitely getting in position. They're unique, and their legs are really, really long. Oh. Now we're going to turn over to... I'll take the scenic route. What's this? What's this big bird called? Here. I guess I gotta find out. It's a hornbill. That's what it is. It's a hornbill. He's over there. There's one over there. Somewhere around here. There's this. It's a tuna. Big tuna. Big tuna. There's where he could be hiding. Probably got a taste of him. Now it's. Well, we gotta. I see something over there that I recognize. In the back are the same thing as that guy. Probably. Look at the bird. That's a creature up. He's going to be found around this bend. Oh. Just around this bend.